Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings, now scroll all the way down and select Apps. After that, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps. Now, if you want to, for example, set your browser app as default one, go into it and pick one of the browsers by clicking at the chosen one. Now when I go back, I can see that my browser app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!